Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing SlickPic, a tool that claims to show off your photos using a no-code digital portfolio builder. It's a different tool. I think it's the first time that a tool like that arrived on AppSumo. It's specialized in creating a digital portfolio for mainly photographers, and the user interface is pretty simple. It's an alternative to Squarespace, MugMug, and Zenfolio, and it's best for photographers and visual artists. SlickPic is a website builder that helps artists create digital portfolios and photo sharing galleries, all without any coding. So you'll be able to create your digital portfolio or your photo sharing gallery. As you can see here, you're gonna get all the classic if you buy tier 1 or pro plan if you buy tier 2. It's the kind of deal to buy at least the tier 2. Yeah, the main thing here, go for tier 2 if you're gonna get it, because you get a lot of more features. And for video, you'll be able to showcase 4K, which would not be possible if you buy only tier 1. So it's mainly a tier 2 deal. You get 1 gigabyte max video size, 4K resolution, 20 gigabytes of third-party merchant traffic per month, professional portfolio websites, custom domain for the websites you don't get with the tier 1. So, the tier 2 is mandatory. You have commerce transaction with a fee of almost 10. Okay. And so this is the deal. So the tier 2. I'm gonna show you now how the tool works. So here is I'm in the dashboard. When you just log in, you will be able to choose if you want to build your portfolio website or gallery and photo sharing. For the sake of that review, we will create a photo sharing. Then you're gonna choose your slug, your website slug. Remember, if you buy tier 2, you're gonna get a custom domain as well. And then you will be able to upload a folder or upload your photos and videos. I'm gonna upload some photos here. You can see that they upload everything pretty fast. Okay, everything uploaded. I'm gonna add a video as well. My video is being uploaded. It's being uploaded here. More than 200 gigabytes of megabytes of video, and I think it's uploading pretty fast. I'm creating my first album. I can change my album name here. Let's change my album name, and I can choose for privacy purpose my album to be public, unlisted, or private. I'm gonna go to public here to finish uploads. So I created my first album. Clicking here, you will be able to share your album. So here is my website view, my album view. I can change and add a different cover photo. I can also add my photo here, and it will show the number of people that I'm following and my number of followers as well. I can share my whole gallery or only my album. Okay, if I click here, I will go to my album. I can change as well my cover image of each album, and clicking here, I can share with, my album or even my gallery on social media with a click of a button, share using a QR code, or just clicking here to share the link. And here is how you show you the visitor view. So the visitor will see my pictures like that. Very useful for photographers. And I'm gonna show you the video as well. You can change the view to flow view like that. You can show in AT or SD. Highlights view. You have many different kind of views that you can use to show your gallery. Very useful to show the pictures with a client. I'm gonna show the TV view. So TV view will show the pictures like that, like a TV. Pretty cool to add the pictures and then, use that as a slideshow. They also have a slideshow view like that. You have an RSS. You can even show as an RSS. And here you can build your websites, okay? You can build your website to create your portfolio. And they have different kind of themes. I'm gonna show you two. The Sense theme. I think this one is really beautiful. Sense. Pretty cool. So you just select your photos to show in a website like that. So you get a website for photographers as well. They're creating different themes here, as you can see here. Bold is coming soon. Let's check this one. This one is called Nemesis. So I'm gonna select any theme here. You pick your theme, and then you click on the upload button to upload photos and videos. I'm uploading a video here, adding the file to my album. So on my website. So you get the galleries and you get a portfolio with the SlickPic tool. This is the SlickPic deal. I think it's a good deal for those who are photographers or visual artists and want to showcase their work. And there are some some workaround to learn how to use the tool. The user interface can be a little bit tricky sometimes, but it's pretty easy to understand. The learning curve is not difficult. I think like that review, I added the best link in the description so you can check the deal and see if it's the best tool for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.